Hi, I'm Mark Wheatley with the Infront Consulting Group. Welcome to training. We train in all aspects of System Center. System Center 2012 Operations Manager is what I'm going to cover right now. We have a team of deeply inspired professionals who work with and contribute to training. Most of us are most valued professionals, MVPs with Microsoft. We update our courses regularly. We don't have to wait like others do for years before we have a new version. We do offer our work focus on System Center. That's what we do every day with clients and customers around the planet. So in Ops Manager in the administration class, we go way beyond other training providers. We give you business value because we know where that value lies and where it's missing in other offerings. We are also a certified provider of learning solutions, a CPLS for Microsoft, and as such we can accept software assurance training vouchers to cover your costs for certain classes. We do practice what we teach. We are not just an empty lab environment. We have cloud automated our own labs by doing exactly what we do for private cloud deliveries for customers. And we make your labs available to you 24 hours a day for the duration of your class. Your instructor will have deep knowledge compared with other instructors from other training providers. We will deliver remotely across all time zones or anywhere that you wish or on site. We do work with your specific needs. We assure that we understand those before we start the class. What do we do? We offer 4 days of class in this particular one. And building this out, you can see that we offer a beginning where we address any gaps that you may have about your understanding of the product. And then we move into guidance and best practices. This is based on our consulting experience. We have hands-on labs so that you can practice these concepts rather than just listen to someone talk about them. We'll set up a gateway on day one. We'll install a management group on day one. And as with every day, we will provide that perfect balance of discussion, demonstration, and hands-on lab experience. No one gets bored in our classes. If you have questions that are too tough for the rest of us, why, we have a whole staff in the background who can address those. By day two, we are into setting up security for Ops Manager, proceeding with more architectural design and installation. We are building out the componentry, setting up and configuring agents, and the most important part, importing management packs and tuning them as we go. This is where most customers fail and where no other classes really address the critical parts of your success compared with ours. We cover alerts and notification on those alerts when appropriate, and as throughout give you tuning guidance and that best balance between lab activity, participation, lecture, and demo. By day three, we are into customizing monitoring and building service maps, which we call distributed application design models. And we tune the core management packs, which is something that every business should do. And we find that most people have a lot to learn with how you do that successfully. It's not easy. We give you that guidance to succeed where others don't. We also cover deep application monitoring into the depth of the application with APM, one of the features. We cover SNMP monitoring. That's network devices like routers and switches. And as usual, and constantly, we provide that best balance. By day four, we're continuing with network monitoring, but we are providing scripted information and how to get the most out of the Windows PowerShell module that comes with Operations Manager. And now that we have data to report on from the agents and management packs, we cover the visualization outputs with reporting, HTML reporting, and SharePoint dashboards. Throughout, we provide that good balance. We increase the amount of time in labs as the class goes on, as we found that most people want. So You've seen a brief outlay of the 4 days. Where do you go from here? Please get on board by contacting us at our website, www.infrontconsulting.com, or register for a class through our email address, training@infrontconsulting.com. Thanks very much, and we look forward to seeing you in class.